Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Abacha here. Hello viewers, hello subscribers. We are making abacha today, African salad that is so tasty and delicious. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay, if you have not subscribed, and give us a thumbs up. I'll first of all put the edible potash in a little bowl, add water so that it can start dissolving. These are the ingredients to be using for today's African salad, popularly known as abacha. So this is the abacha. It's a sliced or shredded cassava. This is my okbaka or ugba as some people call it. From my side we call it okbaka, oil bean. This is African nutmeg, Efuru. This is how it looks when you unshell it. When it comes out from the shell, this is how it looks. I've roasted this efuru. As you can see how it looks, I have roasted it. Before you make use of this, you roast it on a dry pan. When you roast it, it makes the aroma of the efuru come alive. So this is my fish. I've boiled it or I've steamed it. I'm going to fry it and use pepper to garnish it. This is my red onion, and I showed you when I added this edible potash when I soaked it. This is just for garnishing. Is habanero pepper. This is my pomo, cow head pomo. It has been cooked. And this is my garden egg. As you can see, I've washed. I'm going to cut it into little pieces. I'm going to pour it into the abacha when I start mixing everything. This is the palm oil. So let's begin. I'll start by making the ncha first for the abacha. How to make the ncha? You pour in the quantity of oil you'll be using in a pot and make sure the oil is a bit hot before you pour in the edible potash which has been dissolved. Make sure you you put a strainer before pouring in the edible potash because you don't want sand or stone to get into your oil. So I've grinded the efuru in a little grinder. I'm going to pour hot water on the dried shredded cassava, the abacha itself. This will soften it. Don't allow the abacha to stay in the water for more than 2 minutes, guys. It's going to become very soft and soggy. So I just allowed it to stay for about 60 seconds, which is about a minute. Pour it into the strainer and allow the rest of the water sediment or drain down. I'm going to show you how to make the ncha now. The pot is already hot. Add the quantity of oil you'll be needing for the ncha. The quantity of oil depends on the quantity of abacha you want to turn or you want to make. So when the palm oil is completely dissolved and hot, not too hot because we are not planning to bleach this oil. You know, some palm oil, when you pour it, there is always a little lump. So when it's completely dissolved and the oil is a bit hot, you pour in the Akawu, the dissolved edible potash, through a strainer. Don't pour it directly because you don't want to end up with stones and sand in your ncha. So this is just it. This ncha is already made, is okay already. The quantity of ncha you are making is dependent on the quantity of abacha you are making. So I just added the okbaka. I'll be adding the grinded efuru, then my onions, garden egg, and so on. Red onions is very important in making abacha. It gives your abacha a unique taste. So after mixing the three together, I'm going to add my chopped pomo, cow head pomo, and the garden egg. You can replace this pomo with fish or any kind of protein of choice, but this pomo makes it unique because that's how it's made in the village. The pomo stuff is always added to abacha, so that when you eat a spoon of abacha, you get a little piece of pomo to go with it. I added this Cameroon pepper, dried black pepper, to the ncha. The reason why I'm not adding too much is because children are going to eat this abacha. If you want a very peppery or pepperish abacha, you should add more pepper. But I'm not planning to make this abacha like as peppery as pepper soup, I beg. So I just added the sliced habanero pepper. Because the ncha is ready, I added my seasoning cube and salt. Seasoning cube and salt should come last when making your ncha, because the moment you add your salt or seasoning cube to the ncha, be sure that you are through with making the ncha. The seasoning cube and salt cuts the way the ncha is made, the way the ncha foams. Okay, so I'm adding the abacha bit by bit. When I turn at one side of the pot, I'll add more abacha to the pot. So I'm going to continue turning it until everything is completely mixed. I'm going to add a little bit of utazi leaf. A little bit, because you don't want to end up with a bitter abacha. Just a little bit. A little quantity goes a long way in the abacha. Our abacha is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope the abacha tutorial is easy and simplified. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave in the comment section what you like about the abacha preparation, how you like it, or which protein you enjoy eating in your abacha. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.